So how to debug a JavaScript basically. This is all about we are going to discuss here. First, we will see how you can write and code into a Notepad++. So this is a Notepad++ editor. So I'm just putting it here, right? If you can just see, I will save this file as an HTML, right? Save as into your desktop. Paste. The HTML. And you can save the files, correct? So in this Notepad++ also you can do and you can see. Oh, that is also here we have given there is a two brackets. So now this is the way you can do it. This is right. One is for this one. And so now you can write that particular code into a Notepad++, and this is the way you can just see. So I have just done it. Now I will double click and run this HTML file. From this HTML. So you will see the page will be getting displayed like this. Here, if you wanted to debug, again you come as a more tools and see into a developer docs. So anything if you wanted to display or any other things if you wanted to just. So you see there's like this. So you can debug from here, or if you just wanted to put it into a, let's say, just go into a Chrome. So this is the Chrome. Here you can put it first in this HTML. So any point of time, let's say this is the display. So if there is any particular error, you will see here. You can easily find out what is the error, right? So you see the document.get element by is not a function here, correct? So somehow we need to is this a document.get element by name, correct? That is we have seen it, correct? So you can easily find out what is the problem here in this code we have seen, right? We were trying to debug it in here. Why this document.get element by name is not working? So he's saying document.get element by name is not there. So let me see, is this document.get element by name, right? So is this, so it is, I guess, so you can see easily, is this there, is there or not? So it is saying dot get elements by name. Okay, get elements by. Come on here. Let's try one. Or maybe just check it out here in the get elements by. Document dot So I have changed into our code. Sorry. Display. Now, is this any error? No error. Correct. So now error is, or at least error is not coming here. Okay. So you can just debug any particular time if you wanted to just see, you can debug it here. Alright. Let me, this is one number. So here is also we are just getting that there is some error here in code type error. Cannot set properties of a map. So I guess there is some of the details is not here. Maybe you can just see and you can fix it. So this is the way you can just fix it. Basically, the idea is I'm just giving an idea how you can find out and debug the errors. Okay. Generally, you can see this is another error when we are just calling into an it add, right? It line number I guess in here test.html. Right. So it is a time. So add, correct, when we are setting the value. So this is the way you can see, correct? Again, still it is not coming. Now again, we need to just see the problem error is not there. But what is the challenge? So document.get element by name. EMP details. So this alert is coming here, but this document.get elements by name dot inner HTML, this is basically it is not taking this. Okay, that is we will just debug it here. Why this inner HTML is not working? Inner HTML with the document.get element by name. So because the error is also not coming. So then again we need to check and we need to discuss about it. Right. So but at least you can get the idea here. If you wanted to do something here, let's say if you are submitting a form, right? In, correct? So it is coming here into directly on because we haven't given any path into what we can say action path into form. So that is we need to provide it. So then it will be going and submitting the details over there. So that's the way you can just find out the errors and you can debug it. If there is a particular path is not found, any other errors like that, so you can debug and you can check it out. So this is the way you can debug it, any particular JavaScript, and you can just try and test it. Now there are some other things you need to learn it. How you can define the variables, so where we have already seen it, right? Apart from that, you can also see